Tomahawk. Comes with a low-profile MOLLE sheath that can fit on just about anything. Easy release snaps let you get at the Tomahawk in no time. The downrange Tomahawk has 3 primary breeching functions. The first is a pry bar. This pry bar has a cant in the head to allow maximum leverage. Up top on the axe head, you have an integrated prying handle. This gives you real estate so you have positive control when you're executing the pry. On the reverse side, you have a hammerhead. This has maximum surface area and is welded in place. On the opposing side, you remove a button here and can quickly and easily eject that Kydex sheath from the Tomahawk. This exposes a large blade with a point on the bottom. This is great for hacking through ropes, twine, anything else in a hurry. It also has 2 G10 handles along both sides. This gives the user maximum control and confidence during swings or during pries. The downrange Tomahawk is 420 high carbon steel. It's been heat treated so it won't bend under stress. Proudly made in Portland, Oregon, this is the downrange Tomahawk.
The XT01 is a tough, agile Tomahawk finely crafted in the USA to exacting standards by Hogue Incorporated and designed by former Marine Recon and custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz. The hand-honed bellied edge is excellent for chopping and slashing, while the pointed heel and toe are capable of penetrating cuts. The back of the head can be used as an impact tool, and 2 holes accept optional pry bar, hammer, and spike accessories. Eliminating top heaviness, the skeletonized head makes it lightweight and very fast in hand. The blade is made from S7 tool steel, chosen for its shock-resistant properties. Durability is further improved with a cryogenic heat treatment and a kiln-baked Cerakote firearms finish. The handle has a partial tang set in a tough G10 using Hogue's custom heat-treated hardware. The thick slabs of G10 offer resistance to chemical and moisture damage, as well as impact resistance. When the Hawk is placed in the G10 sheath, powerful magnets hold it while the catch is manually engaged. Although very secure, the Tomahawk can be quickly and easily drawn. The mechanism is fastened to a contoured polymer waist paddle that clips onto your belt. Optionally, the paddle can be swapped out using the Techlock compatible mounting bolts on the back of the G10 sheath component. At 14.125 inches in overall length and only weighing 0.95 pounds, the EXT01 is one of the toughest pound-for-pound Tomahawks available, making it well-suited for tactical and sporting roles alike. Hogue knives leverage the know-how of 3 generations of manufacturing experience and are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. To view available models and other quality
chopping axe. Comes with a rubber protective casing on the blade, making it easy for safe carrying and travel. Forged carbon steel blade that's heat treated and built tough. The Will Fix axe comes with a shock-absorbing anti-slip grip. The perfect chopping axe for outdoor adventures, camping, and hiking. Chop various branches and types of woods with ease.
By Gerber. Chopping wood is an essential task, whether you're a camper, hunter, or backpacker. We designed the pack hatchet to deliver unparalleled control and close-up operations through finger grooves just below the bit. A tall blade grind affords geometry for optimal sharpness and edge durability. It features a corrosion-resistant stonewash finish and a rubberized grip. Full tank construction equals durability and in-hand balance. With both a lanyard hole and a nylon sheath, the pack hatchet offers custom carry and multiple mounting options. It's offered in flat sage and coyote. The pack hatchet
hatchet is kept secure in a rugged thermoplastic sheath and is protected yet easily accessible with a large flap and snap closure. There's a large belt carry loop and 5 grommet holes for lashing the hatchet to gear. Its compact size makes it easy to pack. The survival hatchet features a thick, titanium-coated head made out of durable, rust-repelling stainless steel. The head is fused to a solid glass fiber-filled PA handle that is designed to maximize the power of every stroke. And the ergonomic rubberized handle makes the survival hatchet comfortable for extended use in any weather. Use the blade end to chop, cut, or split wood for fire, shelter, or bushcraft. Use the rear pommel to hammer nails and stakes, or as a crushing or breaking tool. To start a fire, use the extra-large, spark-showering ferro rod stored in the handle. Make sure to scrape off the protective black coating before striking for best performance. Designed for extreme conditions, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime.
Thanks for watching. Product buying link given in description.